Hi guys, before we jump in, I just want to mention that this particular product, the price does change on it often. So be sure and check out the link down below in the description and see what kind of price you can get for it. All right, let's jump in.
Hey guys, Tyler here, and in today's video, we're taking a look at this magnifying mirror and the tools that come along with it. Now, in this video, we're going to talk a little bit about this set and help you know what you can expect when you get it. Now, this is the mirror right here. You'll notice that it is kind of a sloped mirror, so it does have that kind of angle, so you can actually magnify it really easily here in this mirror. I'll try and get a little bit closer so you can kind of see, but you can see as you kind of move differently, kind of closer and far away, you will notice some magnification in that mirror. Now, one thing that's great about this mirror that I like a lot is the fact that they do have these little suction cups on the back. You'll notice those two suction cups that allow you to kind of either mount it maybe to another mirror, so you have kind of your regular bathroom mirror and then you have this magnification mirror, or maybe you could even mount it to a countertop if you needed to as well. I also wanted to show you it does come with these two set of kind of tweezers here. You can notice that this right here, if we take that off, it is kind of a straight pair of tweezers, and then this one has a little bit of that angle pair of tweezers right there as well. It also includes a little microfiber cloth to go ahead and keep it clean, but overall I've been really impressed with this mirror and I would highly recommend it.
Now, make sure and check out the link down below in the description to get your hands on this product. Thanks so much for watching and have a great day.